Hello, I hope you're doing great today. I've got something special for you, a recipe that always makes people smile. We're making choux pastry with a crunchy top and soft, airy inside. Let's jump right in. We're starting with something a little extra, a cookie-like topping. In a bowl, I mix sugar, flour, and soft butter. You want a smooth, flexible dough. It will come together in about a minute. Once it comes together, I roll it out between two sheets of parchment paper. For the best results, it should be about 3 millimeters thick. Then pop it in the fridge for about an hour. That's going to be our crispy layer on top later. Now for the choux pastry itself. In a saucepan, I combine equal parts water and milk, a bit of butter and sugar, and melt everything over medium heat. When it's fully melted, I lower the heat and sift in the flour. Keep stirring and cooking it gently for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the dough pulls away from the pan and starts to look a little shiny. Now, don't rush. Before adding eggs, we need to let the dough cool. I speed things up by tossing it into my stand mixer. If you add eggs too soon, well, you'll get scrambled eggs. Once it cools a bit, I slowly mix in beaten eggs, little by little, until the dough is smooth. If you followed along, your dough should look just about right now. I fill a pastry bag and start piping onto a perforated baking mat. Parchment paper works too, but I like the mat. It gives the bottoms a subtle texture that makes them even more delicate and crisp. Now we've got to move quickly. Take out the dough from the fridge and cut circles just a bit bigger than your piped shapes. The butter in the dough softens fast, so don't wait around. Place one disc of that topping on each piped pastry. Into a preheated oven they go, for around 30 to 40 minutes. Just keep an eye on the color. You want them to turn golden brown. When they're done, the crust is beautifully crisp, and inside, light and hollow, just how it should be. Now, here's the fun part. These are the perfect base for anything you love, pastry cream, ganache, or maybe fruits. Today, I'm going simple. I will fill them with sweetened whipped cream, just heavy cream and a spoonful of powdered sugar, whipped until soft and fluffy. I fill them up, and that's it. Thanks for being here with me today. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it goes, and I'd really love to hear from you. See you next time.